a wide, let's do here. It's going to be a wide wall push-up. Okay, the reason we want to go wide in a push-up is to make the blades back here come together, but with load of your upper body. So wall push-up, I'm going to do here, I'm going to go wide, take about 2 steps away from the wall, and lean forward just a little bit so I have some distance to work with. I'm going to come in, hold for a second, and push out. The goal again is to get these areas back here to move in. When these are strong, your upper back area, your rhomboids back here, that's when your body stays here instead of being here. Once the blades learn to stay out where the muscles are stretched out, they become weaker. This is what we do. Got to get them to come in, keep our body upright, by keeping them stronger. Then our overall body, our bounce from front to back of our chest stays more open instead of being closed off. All right, so wall push-up again. Simple, simple. Hands wider than your shoulders. 2 feet away from the wall. Come in. Hold for a second. When you push back, breathe out. Push back with your breath too. Lock the elbows out for a second. Then come back down again. Hold for a second. And then come back out. Any questions about that one?
Would this be also be good for a rotary cup?
It would, because it's less load.
Oh.
Versus doing a full push-up or more weight, just your body weight.